Hey everyone, this is my client Siobhan, and it's been a hot minute since Siobhan's been in, and per her request, she wanted me to chop off her hair, okay? So I didn't go ahead and chop off her hair and told her she had to do it. She wanted to do it, guys, so before you get all bent out of shape, she asked me to do it. She showed me a picture of Jillian Michaels, so I said, well, it's not going to be exactly like it, but it's going to be my style of that. So this is my setup with my Nomad hair foil boards and my Framar foils, and I like to have my stuff out like a buffet. So if I want something, it's out and I don't have to go search for it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do deep weaves underneath in the nape area just to give her some color down there, because I hate when there's only highlights on the top. It drives me crazy. So I'm going to go in, and I love using my Nomad hair foil board because I can really push the lightener into the hair. And as you can tell, when I get to the root area, I turn my brush and I feather it in. And by the way, guys, I am outside currently right now, so you might hear airplanes, you might hear cicadas, you might hear some bugs. So now I'm going to go ahead and I am going to tip this out. And what does it mean by tipping out? A lot of people ask me, why do I tease the hair? Because I tease the hair because it diffuses the line. So trying to not make it super liney like Kelly Clarkson highlights. So we're just going to go ahead and angle around the face and put those in and then tease those out because I want dimension. I want that tease to be a buffer at the scalp. I don't want the highlights coming right out of her brain. So now I'm doing the money piece, and I'm going to do deep diagonal back sections because when they wear the hair down, they get a lot of fullness and lightness around the bottom, but you don't get that big stripe up at the base, and I quite like that. And that is now like part of my style. So don't come at me asking for big stripes in your head because I won't do them. I'll just tell you I'm not taking new clients. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to tease that back section just to give me that buffer. And I'm going to turn my brush, which took me a really long time to realize that the brush turns, guys. And I'm just going to feather that in. I'm using Magix 10 with Olaplex in my lightener. And I really love this lightener, and I really love that color line. I'm going to talk more about it here in a second. But here I'm just tipping out and adding all those light pieces in. And now on the top, I'm going to go horizontally up the head, and I'm going to put a whole bunch of fine weaves in there, and I am just going to feather it up. Now I am going to come and I am going to root shadow everything because that's the technique that works best for me. Some people don't do that, and they lay the foils in different. There's always 90 million ways to get the same outcome, and that's okay. So just going to go ahead and tip out that money piece on the top just to give it a little bit more blondness towards the end. And we're going to process her for about 40 minutes. I like to do it low and slow. And now I'm using Magix 10. And the one thing first about this color is that it's a permanent demi, and you can make it an acidic gloss with their morpher, which is so cool. The next best thing, it processes in 10 minutes. There is nothing better than getting your client in and out that comes in basically for gray coverage every 6 weeks. They love it. So I am applying a level 6 acidic gloss to her base and then pulling it through with a level 10 acidic gloss on the ends, all with Magix 10. And look how absolutely fierce and stunning Siobhan looks. Oh my God. Like, what's up, sex mom? You look so hot, girl. Oh my God. Absolutely stunning, and she feeling it too because look at her. You look gorgeous, Siobhan. Guys, if you like and enjoy my content, don't forget to like, follow, share, and most of all, don't forget to hit the ding dong. Guys, if you love that video, don't forget to check out this one right here, and don't forget, I love you guys, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.